Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel and share this video with your friends. Look around for videos like the one you just saw. Thank you. Thank you.